In today's video, we're going to make this multicolored pebbled sort of set. Sit tight, we're going to get right into it. Hello and welcome back to the channel. It's me, Gigi. We're going to start with this beautiful Gellen gel polish and make a white base. And there it is. And on top of that white base, we're going to put those colored, sort of pebbly, textured situation. I don't know what to call it, guys. I honestly don't. I'm not even sure what I'm going to title this video. And this video was not even what I had originally intended to do. And I've not given up on that idea. It just morphed into this because I didn't have exactly what I needed. Excuse me. I didn't have exactly what I needed to make it happen. So this is a similar idea, but with a different flavor. And when I get the stuff in that I think is going to make that set work, I'm going to do it, and we'll discuss how that inspired this. There you go. So you're going to have to subscribe if you want to get the whole part 2 of the story. Part 2, which is actually part 1, I guess, really. There you go. So all I really did was mix some Saviland builder gel with my Degada nail powders to make the colors that we're looking for today. And I just went with the 3 colors that I thought would blend together real nicely. And if you wanted to really super duper ombre this, you could add a little white to lighten up the colors so you could get more ombre. I was just happy with the 3 colors, so that's the way I did it. But it already took so long to get all these dots and get all the curing done, because you got to do a lot of flash curing. Because basically what you're doing is, and I did want to show that if you don't have the shape you like, you can use a cleanup brush and clean up whatever you need to. But you can only do a few dots at a time, because otherwise they start to spread. It is builder gel. You could probably use that really stiff molding gel. It does take a little bit more to get the powders mixed into that. But I was experimenting, and this was doing exactly what I wanted. So I just kept working with it. But you're just making the little dot, and then I like to do that little swirly motion to break the gel. And when you need to, hold it upside down to round out your dot, because that will help you get more of a rounded, pebbled sort of surface. The one thing, because this is builder gel, the one thing you really can't do is put the dots too close together, because even with flash curing, they tend to bleed into one big blob. So that is why I couldn't really accomplish what I wanted to with this product. But like I said, that's going to be another video. It's going to come soon, and we'll discuss why I couldn't make it work then. There you go. So we're going to just keep working with the 3 colors, shading them all the way down the nail. The only one that gets a full treatment is the thumbnail. There you go. It's the thumbnail. The rest of them are just partials. Just partials. So now what we're going to do is add some bling to it. And I'm just going to do top coat. And that's just because nobody's going to wear them. But if you were going to wear these, I would recommend that you dot in wherever you think you're going to put a gem, dot in some sort of gem jelly, and then top coat over it before you put in your gems. And then that way it would be almost impossible to not get top coat on your gems if you top coated after you put them on, in my opinion. I am sure somebody out there is so brilliant at nails that they are 100% able to do that. I did not trust my skills for that, or maybe I would have tried it, but I just didn't really think I was capable of that. While I keep working on these, guys, I did want to address with you the lack of videos last week. I didn't really put up shorts or anything. And honestly, I'm just working to get my creativity juices back, right? Being summer sad, and that's the only thing it really is. Your girl, it just despises summer. It is the worst time of year for me, and it makes me sad. So there you go. I don't want to put too fine of a point on it. It's not something I want to dwell on too much, but I do want to explain to you that it just sapped my creativity. I could not make any art work. Nothing that I tried would work, and I decided that what I needed to do was focus on myself a little bit and not so much art, and just let myself, I don't know, feel it out and get rid of it, right? Stew in my own juices, so to speak. And that's what I did, and I got through all that, and I'm feeling a little more creative now, and I've got some good ideas, and we're going to find out if I'm going to be able to execute them, because I really want to push my art as I get through the summer sadness and move into fall bliss. Fall is my favorite. I love spring too, but spring always comes with a little trepidation because I know summer is after that. So there you go. But it's nothing to worry about. You know, everybody has their time of year. Some people, it's winter. For me, it's summer. And so while everyone else is feeling sad in the winter, I'm usually pretty happy because it's cooler weather, and I don't live anywhere where it snows, and I probably would never choose to live anywhere where it snows. So I love fall, I like winter, and I love spring with a little asterisk on the end, with a little big asterisk. So as you can see, we're just gonna continue to add little bits of bling here and there. And you know, for some people the bling might be too much. Just eliminate it if you decided to do this set. And if you're that girly or guy who just cannot stand textured nails, this is not your set, guys. You could imitate a look like this though with flatter dots. So don't think you couldn't do something like this. Sorry, I heard my neighbor turn their shower on. I don't know if you can hear that, but it startled me. In apartments, you know, you always hear your neighbors. So honestly, here I hear them less than I have at a lot of other places I've lived. So I'm kind of grateful for that. Older building, right? More insulation. Anyways, don't think that you couldn't wear a set that gives this vibe if you don't like texture. This is for that over-the-top girly who really likes, you know, something unique and different on her nails. And I have to say, I really dig this set. For me, it gives kind of calming vibes, right? With the pebbled, almost cobblestone feel of it. And the colors are, I want to say bright, but not vibrant, right? Bright, but muted, right? I don't know. Almost not milky, but something. I don't know. Words are escaping me for the description of this beautiful set. I have to say, I think it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. I'm so proud that I executed it, that even though it wasn't exactly what I first set out to do, I was able to morph the vision into something I was able to execute. So that makes me pretty happy. And I hope watching this video made you happy as well. I hope that you're still here. If you are, I don't know, give me a real pretty rose in the comment section. But here is the finished set, guys. Let me know what you think while you're down there in that section. Don't forget to click every single button that is available for you to be clicking. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for watching and for supporting my nail channel. You guys are absolutely the best. We're going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.